So where we go? This way?
Yeah, let's go.
It's the Yahoo Falls, eh?
That must be.
It's Big South Fork. Oh, this is the
Yep.
entering Big South Fork. Hi guys! Welcome back to Bing's World. So ang aming adventure today ay dito sa Yahoo Falls and Arch. So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa isang state forest land which is dito daw ang Yahoo Falls at saka mayroon ding Yahoo Arch. There's one guy here. I mean one people,
Yep.
the truck owner.
Yep.
So, napaka-active ang aming araw. Sa loob ng isang araw ay 3 ang aming nagawa from natural arts, and then nag-hiking kami, and then itong pangatlo ay dito sa Yahoo Falls and Yahoo Arch. What's that pink?
See, now I just don't know which way to go.
Okay, that's the sign here. So, kailangan mag-check kami every corner para hindi kami maligaw. Want to see the picture?
Mm-hmm.
At everywhere, may makikita ka namang mga sign na susundan.
This is the loop that takes us down and around to it. That's just the, I think that's the shortcut. Steps. A lot of steps there, it looks like.
So, where we go? This way?
Yeah, let's go. Pretty easy trail so far.
So far. Don't know yet.
But must be local boys, you can hear them.
Their voice, right? The accent.
Yeah.
And then, you know, when you talk to them, they try to figure out what you said because they're not used to your accent.
No. The oak tree fell down.
Yep. Got it. Oh, people. Just new cut. Just new cut here. What's that sound? Aeroplane.
Yep.
So, ayan guys. Earlier ay umuulan. Kaya nung naglakad kami hiking dun sa Natural Arch ay naabutan kami ng ulan. So, dito kami nag-next adventure sa Yahoo Falls. Oh, I didn't see that. So, ayan guys, medyo naririnig na namin ang tunog ng falls. That means we are almost there.
You can hear water rushing down there. That's where the falls are. We're going in a loop down to it.
Great sounds there. I can hear the
Yahoo Creek.
noise now. It's a quarter mile.
It said a quarter mile. I think that was if you take them steps down.
No way. I'm done with the steps.
I doubt it.
You want to sit down? There's beans here. Do you need one? Oh, no. Where? Down here?
I think so. The trail don't look like it does. There's some stuff.
That's maybe the old one. Old trail. Oh no. So here we are. Malapit na kami at nakita na namin yung overlooking na area para makita mo yung Yahoo Falls. So let's go and samahan nyo kami guys sa aming adventure today dito sa Yahoo Falls at Kentucky. So mas pinili namin yung trail na plain lang. May dalawa kasing pagpilian, yung maraming hagdan, then yung ma-reach mo yung pinaka-closer ang Yahoo Falls. But dito sa overlooking lang ang iyong makikita kasi nasa taas kami. There. Wow. There. The falls. It's the Yahoo Falls, eh?
That must be. Hi Charles, the cabin is all clean. My husband is going to get a brand new pillow and some ice. So anytime you're ready, you can head toward the cabin. I thank you so much for being patient. I hope you enjoy your stay. If you need anything, please don't be afraid to ask. And again, I apologize. Again and again and again and again and again. Okay.
So the cabin is ready for us.
Yahoo Arch must be that way.
Okay. So this is Yahoo Falls.
Yeah.
And then we continue to...
I don't know. Yeah. Let's see what this is.
I go first.
This is pretty much all weed whacked.
Yep. So ngayon ay mag-continue kami pag-hiking kasi nahanap na namin yung Yahoo Falls. And then may Yahoo Creek and may Yahoo Arch. Yan ang aming next destination. So hopefully mahanap namin yung dalawang nasa mapa na ma-adventure namin today dito sa area na ito. No, I'm afraid there.
Really?
We already saw that.
Nothing that.
It's not interesting. I'm scared. What's a creek?
Yeah, it's Yahoo Creek. Map 74, Yahoo got Creek.
Come here.
No, Yahoo could hear a squirrel. Oh, I didn't know you were recording this.
Oh, we can hear. Oh, we need to cross the creek.
No, I think we must be going the wrong way. We can. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Let's do it.
Ay, bungot kang malaglag. It's moving.
Careful, it's moving.
Slippery here. So, ayan guys. Try namin magtawid dito sa creek. Baka nandito yung Yahoo Arch. There, oh. Okay.
Be careful.
So, itong creek ay yan ang pagbagsak niya doon sa bangin. Ayun na yung Yahoo Falls na nakita namin earlier doon sa overlooking. At saka nakakatakot bumaba sa mga trail na para maging closer ka doon sa falls kasi naulan at slippery yung daan. You can't even see here. No need to go there, de.
No, don't you worry about it.
Done.
Oh yeah, there is a trail down there.
No need na. Come back na. Di, come back.
Over there.
No. Come na.
All right, let's see what this does. Hold on. Maybe this is the. Maybe this gets us the. very well marked, is it?
Yep. No need to go there.
I don't know where we're going right now. Let me check my phone and see if it's got where I'm at.
Okay, you check your maps. Ang lalim tapos.
If I get to that Yahoo Arch,
Yeah, the Hayaho Arch.
no signs.
Yeah, that's right. It's not that way.
I think maybe it is, but I don't know that.
Okay, we go back to this moving rocks. The fire in here. Oh. Okay, this is the moving rock. That one. So, ayan guys, talagang nagtry kaming hanapin ang trail kung saan mahanap yung Yahoo Arch. Oh, there's no continue. The continue is there. There's no continue here. The continue is there. Can we check to the phone? The map on my phone. So, ayan guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa parking lot. Unfortunately, hindi namin nahanap ang Yahoo Arch. Kasi right now ay 7 o'clock na. So, ayaw namin maabutan kami ng dilim doon. And nag-enjoy naman kami sa aming Yahoo Creek and Yahoo Falls adventure. So, today's video, kung meron kayong mga suggestions, please leave your comments down below. And kung sino pa yung hindi nakapag-subscribe, of course, please subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga next videos na i-upload pa namin. And God bless and see you next time. Bye!